Welcome back, students. We are still on indices, and today we are going to do 2016 Wassce private objective question number 36. And there is the question: simplify bracket of 1 over 16 exponent by 1 over 2 plus bracket of 8 over 27 exponent by 2 over 3. So let's solve it. We have bracket of 1 over 16, then all exponent by half, then plus bracket of 8 over 27 exponent by 2 over 3. So with this one, we can write 16 as 1 over 16 as 4 exponent 2. So we have it to be 1 over 4 exponent 2. All times half. Then 8 can also be written as 2 exponent 3. 8 can also be written as 2 exponent 3 all over. And 27 can also be written as 3 exponent 3. And this one, they have all exponent by 2 over 3. So here, one of the properties of indices says that if we have a number being exponent by another, and they are all these two exponents, they will multiply themselves. So we have it to be 1 over 4 exponent 2 times 1 over 2. Let's close the bracket for that one. Then we have this one here, the 2 exponent 3 will multiply 2 over 3 here. Then all over 3 exponent 3 will also multiply 2 over 3 here. We have that one here. Okay, so looking at it, this 3 will cancel this 3, and here the 3 here will cancel the 3 here. And when you come here, the 2 here will cancel the exponent of 2 here. So we are going to have this one to be 1 over 4 plus, and this one we have it to be, the 3 has been cancelled, so here is going to be 2 exponent 2 all over 3 exponent 2. This one in a bracket, and this one also in a bracket. Okay, so we still move on. So we have 1 over 4, and then plus 2 exponent 2 will give us 4, and 3 exponent 2 will give us 9. So now we have a fraction whereby we need to find the LCM. And what will be the LCM for 9 and 4? The LCM for 9 and 4 is going to be 36, because that says the number whereby 4 will go through and 9 will also go through. So 4 goes into 36 how many times? 9. 9 times 1 will give us what? 9 here. And 9 goes into 36 how many times? It goes there 4, and 4 times 4 will give us what? 16. So we have it to be, so we have 9 plus 16 will give us what? 25 over 36. So therefore the answer is 25 over 36. This will be the answer for it. Welcome, students. Today we are still on indices. Today we are going to do 2016 Wassce private theory question number 6a. And there is a question: if 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent x minus 1 in a bracket and all equal to 48, we should find the value of x. So here we are going to solve to find the value of x. Solution: we have it to be 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent bracket of x minus 1, and they are all equal to 48. You know, these 2 exponent, the 2 exponent x minus 1 is the same as, this 2 exponent x minus 1 is the same as 2 exponent x times 2 exponent negative 1. It's the same as this one, because the base were the same. That is why we add exponent. So plus what we have here, 2 exponent x, and they are all equal to 48. And 2 exponent negative 1 will also is the same as 1 over 2. So times 2 exponent x we have plus 2 exponent x here, or equal 48. So now, when you look at these two terms, we have 2 exponent x here, we have 2 exponent x here. So we factor the 2 exponent x out. So we have 2 exponent x out. And here, the number left here is going to be 1. And we have here to be 1 over 2, which is equal to 48. So now let's deal with this one. Let's have it to be one entity. What will be the LCM for this one is going to be 2. And then 1 goes into 2. 2 times 1 will give us 2. And here we have it to be 1. So in all, we get it to be 3 over 2. We get it to be 3 over 2. So we are going to have it to be 3 over 2 times 2 exponent x, whereby all of them is equal to 48. So because we have this one, we want to get rid of the coefficient of 2 exponent x. So first of all, let's multiply 2 by 2. So we have it to be 2 times 3 over 2 times 2x, or equal 48 times 2. So we see that these 2 here will cancel the 2. So we have 3 times 2 exponent x equal to, and 48 times 2 will give us 96. Because we have 3 attached to the coefficient, attached to the indices 2 exponent x, let's divide both sides by 3 and here by 3. So you see this 3 will cancel this 3 out. Then we have 2 exponent x equal to, and 3 goes into 96, 32. So you see 32 can be written as 2 exponent 5, because we want the base to be the same as the left side. So we have 2 exponent x here, then we have 2 exponent 5. So because the base are the same, we have 2 here, we have 2 here, then we equate the exponent. So x will be equal to 5. So therefore x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Okay, bye. Good day, students. Welcome once again. We are still on indices. Today we are going to tackle 2016 Wassce June objective question number 7. And this is the question: simplify 3 exponent negative n minus 1 times 27 exponent n plus 1, all divided by 81 exponent n. So here, simplify means we are reducing it to the simplest form. So let's solve it and see how we will come up with it. Okay, so we have 3 exponent n minus 1 times 27 exponent n plus 1, all these divided by 81 exponent n. So here we are going to reduce the numbers into the base of 3. We are going to reduce them in a base of 3. So we still have our 3 exponent n minus 1 here, and 27 can be written as 3 base of 3, then exponent of 3, and this exponent of 3 will come and multiply this exponent here. So we have it to be n plus 1 here, all divided by, and 81 can also be written as 3 exponent 4, but already we have an exponent of n there, so the n will come, so the 4 will multiply the n. Okay, so here we have 3 exponent n minus 1 times 3 exponent, so this 3 will multiply the bracket, whereby we have it to be 3n plus 3, all divided by 3 exponent 4n, all divided by 3 exponent 4n. So when you look at the numerator, because the base are the same, we have the base here 3 and the base here 3, it means that we can add the exponent. It's just like having a exponent n times a exponent m. So because the base are the same and there's a multiplication sign between them, we just write one of the base, then we add the exponent, which is going to be n plus m. So the same thing applies for this one here. So we have it to be 3, then First one, we have the exponent to be n minus 1, then plus 3n plus 3 all over 3 exponent 4n. Okay, so this one will give us 3 here at the numerator being the base, n minus n plus 3n will give us 4n. Then 3 minus 1 will give us plus 2 all over 3 exponent 4n. So with this one will also give us, because the base are the same, with this one we have it to be 3 exponent 4n plus 2 all divided by 3 exponent 4n. 3 exponent 4n. So here, looking at it, because the base here is 3 and the base here is 3, and there is a division sign, we are going to subtract the exponent of this one, which is 4n, from this exponent. Because if we have a exponent n divided by a exponent m, then this one is going to be a exponent n minus m. So we have it to be 3 exponent 4n plus 2 divided by 3 exponent 4n will be equal to 3 exponent 4n plus 2 minus 4n. So looking at it, this 4n will cancel this 4n, and we are going to get 3 exponent 2, which will give us 9. So therefore 9 is the answer. Welcome back, students. We are still on indices. Today we are going to do 2016 Wassce private objective question number 35, and there is the question: solve 2 exponent 3x equal to 0.25. 2 exponent 3x equal to 0.25. So let's see how we are going to solve the question. We have 2 exponent 3x equal to 0.25. Okay, 0.25 can be written in a fraction form as 25 over 100. 25 over 100, which is the same as here. 25 will go into a step 1. It will go here how many? 4, which is the same as 1 over 4. So instead of 0.25, we are going to use 1 over 4. So implies that we have 2 exponent 3x will be equal to 1 over 4. Because we are dealing with indices, we need to write 4 in a base of 2. So this one is going to be 2 exponent 3x equal to 1 over 2 exponent 2. And 1 over 2 exponent 2 is the same as 2 exponent negative 2. So we are going to have it to be 2 exponent 3x equal to 2 exponent negative 2. So because the base are the same, we are going to equate the exponent. Because the base, we have the base to be 2 and we have here to be 2, we equate the exponent. So it's going to be 3x equal to negative 2. 3x equal to negative 2. So we are solving for x. What are we going to do? We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, and that is 3. And here we divide it by 3. So this 3 will cancel the coefficient of x. Then we have x to be equal to negative 2 over 3. So therefore x is equal to negative 2 over 3. X is equal to negative 2 over 3. So student, that is how you go through to solve the given relation, which is the given equation 2 exponent 3x equal to 0.25.